Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. For those of you who are new here, I do a lot of things on my channel such as unboxing, reviews, mom vlogs. I do grocery hauls. I do other things such as teaching from time to time, just to give you guys a glimpse for days in my life or things that we have going on at work that I would love to share. And I also do just vlogs and just anything that I would like to share in general. But today's video is hosted by Tiffany over at Small Town 6, as we are giving you guys a September challenge. For September challenge for today, we are doing a carbs challenge. This carbs challenge is just strictly for us to make a pastry or muffins or something carb-wise. So I thought, what better way than to make some banana bread. So I think that this will be a really great idea of what to make. I have kiddos who have teachers, and I can easily send it because there's no nuts in this. I also would love to have some to keep and have for my lunch as just the dessert. So be sure to check out the playlist after you check out this video, but let's just jump right into it. So first things first, you need this box. I got this box from Kroger for about $2 or $3. On the back, it tells you straight up what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 1 egg, or actually 2 eggs, 1 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of oil. And you can also make these into muffins too. So I'm kind of wondering, okay, should I do muffins or should I do bread? Let's just see.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything all together. I have a box of the banana bread. I'm gonna pour everything into this mixing bowl. I also need to add in the eggs, the water, and the oil. So you will see me doing that here. I really couldn't decide if I wanted to do muffins or if I wanted to make banana nut bread. But I decided to go ahead and do a loaf of banana nut bread, as I can slice it and take it in a Ziploc bag on a daily to work. So I'm just adding in the vegetable oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in the water as well. And then I will just begin to mix everything all together. This needs to go into the oven on 375 for about 40 minutes. So just mix everything up thoroughly together, and then we're gonna just slide it into the preheated oven. So I put it in the oven for 40 minutes. I basically went ahead and gave it an extra 5 minutes when I realized that it was not done yet. So I put it back in for another 5 minutes and hit the timer. This is just, like I said, something great to cut into slices and then put into Ziploc bags, especially for lunch or just a snack to have in the afternoons. So here it is, fresh out of the oven, cooked a little bit longer, and definitely ready. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure to check out the Carbs Challenge playlist linked in my description box down below.